Hey everyone, I'm super excited because today we're gonna talk about the cryptocurrency. Yes, cryptocurrency, one of the hottest trends right now in the entire world. So before you guys jump into the deep end, there are some things you should know, things that can save you a lot of stress, a lot of headache, and also a lot of money. There are some very important things to know before getting involved with crypto. So let's jump in and get started. Okay. So first up, let's talk about what crypto really is. So what is this thing called cryptocurrency, right? You might hear people talking about it. People might come up to you in the elevator and be like, "Yo, did you get into Bitcoin?" But what is it? So cryptocurrency is a digital asset based on blockchain technology. And what does that mean? Well, think of blockchain as a public record book where all the transactions are stored. Now, when you buy a coffee, you might hand over some cash to the barista. That transaction is recorded somewhere in a book at the back of the store. But with cryptocurrency, all the transactions are recorded on a public digital ledger called a blockchain. That is what makes it decentralized and why it is pretty much impossible to counterfeit or alter the record. The whole idea is cool, right? Like the fact that it's decentralized, it's not controlled by any government or institution. But it also makes cryptocurrencies extremely volatile. The value of crypto can swing wildly in short periods of time. So you could make a ton of money very quickly. But you could also lose a ton of money very quickly. No. 2. The value of cryptocurrencies is really unpredictable. The value of cryptocurrencies is very unstable, and that's why you should only invest money that you can afford to lose. So, never put your rent money or your mortgage money or money that you need for bills into cryptocurrency because it is just too risky. Okay, so crypto is exciting, but it's not a reliable way to make money or pay bills. And since the value is so unpredictable, it's important to be ready for both big gains and big losses. Don't become overly attached to the idea of making money. Stay level-headed and understand that you could lose your investment. Number 3, choosing the right platform is really important. To buy and sell cryptocurrency, you'll need to find a reputable exchange. So basically, think of it like a marketplace where you can trade your money for crypto and vice versa. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Gemini. Just make sure that the platform you choose is regulated and has a good track record. And don't forget, just like anything else online, protect your accounts with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Number 4, securing your assets. So once you buy cryptocurrency, you need to decide where to store it. And that's where wallets come in. A crypto wallet is basically a place where you can keep your cryptocurrencies safe. There are different types of wallets, like software wallets, which are applications on your phone or computer, and hardware wallets, which are physical devices. Now, the best way to secure your crypto is by using a hardware wallet like a ledger or a Trezor. These devices allow you to store your crypto offline, which makes it much harder for hackers to steal. And don't forget the old saying, not your keys, not your coins. Basically, if you don't have the keys to your crypto wallet, you don't really own any crypto. So if you lend your coins to someone else or leave them in an online exchange, you're trusting that third party to hold onto your assets. But remember, the ultimate responsibility for keeping your crypto safe lies with you. No. 5. Beware of scams. So scams and fraud are everywhere, especially in the world of crypto. I mean, there are so many scammers out there, and unfortunately, people fall for their tricks all the time. So don't believe everything you see. Be skeptical about unsolicited investment advice and offers that seem too good to be true. Ignore messages from people claiming to be from support or customer service and asking for your private keys or seed phrases. Now, here's a pro tip. If anyone ever asks you for your seed phrase, run. That's the key that unlocks your wallet. And if you give it away, you'll lose everything. Number 6, understand the regulations. The regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay informed about the laws and regulations in your country. Different countries have different rules. Some countries embrace crypto, while others are still figuring it out. And if you're in the US, the IRS treats cryptocurrency as property for tax purposes. So you've got to keep track of your transactions and set aside some money for taxes. So my advice is to consult with a tax professional who understands cryptocurrency to make sure you're doing everything right. No. 7. Start small and learn. So take your time to educate yourself and start with a small investment. Don't try to get rich quick. Take your time, learn the ropes, watch tutorials. Join communities and explore the world of crypto at your own pace. As you gain experience, you'll become more comfortable with the process and feel more confident making decisions. And remember, investing small amounts allows you to try out different platforms and wallets without risking a lot of money. And finally, number 8, the long-term mindset. So it's essential to adopt a long-term perspective when it comes to crypto. Don't get caught up in the hype of the latest trends or the fear of missing out. Instead, focus on building a solid portfolio and staying informed about market developments. By taking a long-term approach, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of the market and make more rational decisions. Plus, it's not just about making money. Crypto is part of a larger movement towards financial decentralization and technological innovation. So by being patient and informed, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of this exciting industry. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the top 8 things you should know before getting into crypto. Remember, knowledge is power. So take your time, learn and make smart decisions. And always remember to be cautious, stay informed and prioritize the security of your assets. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. We would love to have you here. Thank you again for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.